What do you believe forgiveness is? As a hypnotherapist, this is something I tell my clients when they're going through an emotional moment in their hypnosis and somebody has really hurt them and they're processing that pain. One of the moment comes when I ask them, do you want to forgive? And many times the answer is no. And at times, if they're hesitating, because sometimes there is a lot of cultural conditioning, spiritual conditioning that tells you you must forgive to let go, you must forgive to move on in life. So when they hesitate, I actually give them a cue that you don't have to forgive. And there is a reason for that. When you're putting yourself in a position that I must forgive, first of all, that's a sense of entitlement. Who are you to forgive anybody? The forgiveness is not for the other person. And there is a very beautiful mind's process involved in it. Even if there were mean people in your life, even if they did a lot of shit to you, but your mind doesn't know it's the other person who's done shit to you. Your mind is holding on to you believing that you think everything about yourself, what you're thinking about others. Because whoever you're upset with, whoever you're hurting with, you might be thinking it's because the other person has done this to me, I'm hurting. But your mind believes that you are upset with yourself. And that's the perspective you have to keep in mind when you're forgiving. You're not forgiving others. You're always forgiving yourself. You believe you ended up doing something stupid, you made a mistake, you should have known better, and you feel like you're a loser. Those are the places where you need to forgive yourself for having trusted wrong people, for having made mistakes that are keeping you stuck in the cycle of blaming others. So, forgiveness is never necessary for the other person. Forgiveness is for yourself. You have to forgive yourself always. Leave the other people to God, to nature, to universe. It's not your job. Leave the divine's job to divine. Learn forgiveness is a self act so that you can move forward and stop blaming, cursing, criticizing, and judging yourself the things that you thought were mistakes. You only did your best from the place you knew then. Today, if you know better, you do better. So please begin with forgiving yourself because that's your cue to releasing the hurt and the pain that's holding you back. Blaming others, not working. Forgiving yourself always works.